I'm like, hold up. Man, watch what you say to me. So be warned up, I'm about to lead a bitch gratefully. Don't worry, I got you shorty chillin' in the major league. Proceed with caution, cause the nigga steady after me like.
He's ripping the hat.
Nice.
Get the hat on there.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm a defector. He's wearing the Bavarian hat. Yeah, he's wearing the KUWTB hat in the Porsche. He's a defector. Either I'm a defector or was the only hat I had.
Told her be my day and night, cause I need her in my life. Got me feeling super right. Shawty shit too nice, too polite.
Welcome back. It's your favorite Hispanic Roberto Vargas with your favorite black guy John.
Yeah.
Hey, look, we're here. Hey, look, it's my
Oh my gosh.
weird
for
all you BMW guys. And you know what? It beats you guys.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
All right, the point is, here we are. John's M3, John's 328.
Look at this.
You know, look at the glorious way it
E90
is.
sandwich real quick, you know?
Sandwich.
Happy place right here.
So we're here. Why are we here? You know why? Because John here has told me he put his lip on.
I put my lip on, but
you see, the problem is John isn't the very most technical, advanced guy you probably know out there.
No.
So he gets his ass kicked by a lot of parts.
I can't put a lip on properly.
Let's see how bad he put the lip on.
Okay, so this is like botched lip Botox. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So you might not notice it from far away, but when you get close, you don't want to kiss those lips. Come on.
Let's go. Let's find out.
I'm gonna leave it to Roberto to see if he can see if there's an issue at all. Because there is an issue, but maybe he can't see it.
Okay, let's find out. All right, 3, 2, 1, and oh my God! Let's see. What did he do wrong? What did he do wrong? Now that you guys can see, well.
Are you seeing any issues here? Are you seeing any
Well,
problems?
I mean, it definitely doesn't fit your car.
Well, I mean, it kind of does, but here's the thing. Obviously, it's not OEM. It's not going to fit perfectly.
Yeah. I mean, it doesn't fit your bumper over there in the corner either.
Yeah, I guess that's just the style of the lip it is.
What?
That's what they said. They said it's the style. That's just how it looks.
What?
Well, here it is. And so I was putting the lip on last night with my buddy. No homo.
Got him.
And obviously, these were pre-drilled, right? They had pre-marked where you're supposed to drill the lip in. Now, this is my second attempt putting the lip on. My first try was a complete failure. And what happened was we put the lip on. I did not use 3M tape. Now, you're probably wondering, John, why did you not use 3M tape? Well, that's because I did not think 3M tape was any good. Now, I had bought the wrong kind of 3M tape. It said automotive 3M tape, but that was not the right, that's not the right one. You want the extra strength. The extra strength, it won't come off.
Shit.
You know what I'm saying?
Damn,
So
not
it
bad.
actually is, it's secured on there. But the first time, I did not use 3M tape. I just drilled it straight in without any nut to hold on the other side. So I'm on the freeway. I'm cruising around. I'm having a good time. I'm like, man, my lip must look so good right now. I'm like a movie star with these lips right now. So, but regardless, I'm driving around and I start kind of hearing this scraping noise. I'm like, what the f***? What could that sound be? Well, we pull over, I get out the car, and I realize my lip is only being held on by the OEM bolts here, here, and here. And the sides were flapping like this against the road. I was looking like a bird trying to take off. I'm just doing this.
I sure wish we'd have taken the train.
So I'm like, okay, you know what? I'm going to hold off, wait a minute, and then maybe I'll try putting the lip on some other time. Well, yesterday was that time. I put the lip on. The holes are already drilled into the bumper. I had my buddy on the left side. I was on the right. I figured, all right, put it right on. We have the 3M tape, the proper tape this time. Let's see if it works. Well, here's what happened, guys. I actually, if you can notice here, come in close. Notice the finger room here, okay, right here. And then let's come on the opposite side. Look at how much of a difference there is. This is actually perfectly lined up with the back of the bumper, while that is about 1/4 of an inch forward. So the lip is actually crooked.
Yeah,
it's crooked, and you can really notice it. See how far back that's tucked in? Look at all that finger room right there. And then on the opposite side, like I said, it's right here. It's right here. It's really, really crooked. So last night I tried to fix my mistake. I tried to pull it off, but that 3M tape was like Gorilla Glue.
Oh, these are pretty cool bananas.
It was not coming loose. Regardless, guys, I was very upset. I'm a perfectionist.
Okay.
So you got TV Tara, you got all these other people on YouTube that show you how to put a lip on. They make it look so easy. It's not that easy.
Actually, Megan?
It's not that easy. That's coming from your boy John from Keeping Up with the Bavarians, man. I'm gonna have to do something because this is not a good look Now again, would you guys have noticed? Do you think you would have noticed? Because I'm very curious. I don't know. Some people just don't know. They can't tell. Of course, the owners of the cars do, especially those perfectionists like myself. But regardless, I'm upset, and it just doesn't look right. Botched lip job. Botched lip job. So either way, guys, thank you for tuning in to this really short, really weird segment from Keeping Up with the Bavarians. Roberto behind the camera, John in front of it, and maybe you'll catch me next time with the proper lip on, because yeah, this doesn't really fit. Doesn't look that great. Regardless, guys, thank you so much. Please subscribe. Please follow the page and the channel, and make sure to hit up KUWTB.com for some really cool merch. Catch you next time, guys.
Right, got me moving, feeling right. Top down on that MK1, nigga, take a flight. Gotta show 'em I won't quit. It's okay, written on the whip just to feel a dip. Feeling sad, so I dropped the gear. Now I'm feeling lit. Got me creeping through the night.